In this video, I am going to show you 5 websites from where you can learn the English online, and that too for free. So if you're interested in knowing these 5 websites, then you should keep on watching. The first website which I want to show you is from British Council, and it is called learnenglish.britishcouncil.com. Here you can find a lot of resources in the shape of video and audios which will help you in learning the English. They have also got the few courses which are available. The links you can see here and on the top of the website page. Also, they have categorized the learning English in the shape of listening, reading, writing and speaking, and you can also listen to the podcasts. They also have got the games available on this website, with the help of which you can learn the English. The next website is called talkenglish.com. This is also a good website where you can find a lot of English speaking lessons, video lessons, listening lessons, extra English lessons, and they also have the exercises with the help of which you can gauge your proficiency of English. In this website you would find a lot of lessons, starting from the basic English speaking to the regular English, business English, the English language that you should use in the interviews, and the traveling English lessons are also available here. So you can check out this website also. This is also one of my favorite website. The next website which I want to show you is newsinlevels.com. What is interesting about this website is that while this website will teach you the English language while you read the news around the world. Why is it called News in Levels? Because you can read the same news based on your level of proficiency in English. If you click on to any news with level 1, it will show you that news in the simple plain language which would be easy to follow. You can click on to the level 2 and you would see that the proficiency or the difficulty of language is slightly enhanced. And once you click the level 3, you would see that the level of difficulty or the complexity of the language would increase a little more. So check out this website. They have also the lessons on grammar, vocabulary, as well as they have also a large collection of videos. By watching those videos you can learn the English. The next website which I want to show you from where you can learn English is from the BBC, and it is called Learning English. It is not a separate website, but if you go on to the website of BBC, that is bbc.co.uk/learning English, on this website you will find a lot of courses starting from the basic, intermediate and the upper intermediate level. There are lessons on the grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation. You can find the news through which you can learn the English, and the business English you can click here. They have got a separate section for teachers as well as for children, and they have also got quizzes available through which you can learn the English, and their apps links are also given here. You can download the iOS version or the Android version from their respective Play stores. So do check out this website, which is bbc.co.uk/learning. Second last website which I want to show is called dictionary.com. While it is not a classically English learning website, but as you know that there are a lot of words in the English language which even the native English speaker may not know, let alone that somebody like you who is trying to learn the English. So you would require to find out the meaning of a particular word. So I would highly recommend that if you are learning the English language, you should bookmark this website. Whenever you want to find meaning of a particular word, you should visit this website and find out the meanings of that word. The last website which I want to show you to learn English is called Grammarly. This is again not a classical English learning website. The good thing about this website is that it will help you to correct your mistakes whenever you write within the browser within which this Grammarly is installed. It has both the Chrome and Firefox extensions available. You can download the Grammarly onto your computer as well, and they also have a Android keyboard. I suppose they also have a keyboard for the iOS also, but I would highly recommend that if you are learning English, you should download this Chrome extension from the link which is given in the description below, and you can use this website. As you can see here, that in this example, whenever you are writing something and there is any correction required, it will underline that word and it will suggest the changes which you should do. Grammarly is a Chrome extension which is purely free to use, and you don't need to buy it, you just need to install onto your Chrome browser. However, if you want to buy the additional features, you can go down and click these plans, and from here you would see this page from where you can buy the premium and business versions. The details are given here. I'm not going to go into this detail. So these were the websites from where you can learn the English totally for free online. The links to all these websites are in the description below. You can go and visit from them, but I would highly recommend that you download this Grammarly extension, which is totally free to use. In any case, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.